What's up everyone? In this video I want to show you all exactly how I day trade options. I'm going to talk about orders, strikes, stuff like that as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming content. Because trust me, I'm about to step up my game. So first off, we come to trade here. This is Thinkorswim platform, by the way. Formerly owned by TD Ameritrade, but now Charles Schwab owns them. So Thinkorswim is what I use to day trade options on. I go to ActiveTrader after I click on Trade, ActiveTrader. Now it pops up this ActiveTrader. Right now we have SPY. We can put Tesla in there, and we have Tesla stock. So if we buy this, we're actually trading the stock. Okay. You're probably wondering, okay, how do I get the options inside of here? So this is how I do it. Click the tab right beside of the ticker where you type in the ticker for the stock. Click down, click options, come here. And let's say we want to trade SPY options, SPY. Let's just go to the 523s. We clicked on the 523 calls that expire today. Now we have them in here. Okay, now we've selected them, put them into our ActiveTrader. So at this point, we can set this top up how we want. If we want to buy and sell, we can. If we want to buy market or sell market, we can do that here. By a simple click, I will buy 10 523 calls that expire today. If I buy market, it's going to fill me the fastest possible. Not always the best fill, but when I'm trading SPY, I typically don't have any problem buying market and selling market to get in and out of the trade. There's plenty of liquidity and the spreads tend to be good. If you want to add to this, you come over here to this gear icon and you can add in whatever you want here. If I want buy ask, double click it, grab it and move it up. Okay, there we have it, buy ask. Okay, I'm just giving you examples. Most of the time these days I usually buy market or buy limit, sell market or sell limit. Go ahead and remove that. So you're probably wondering how I sell limit. So once we're in the trade, I will point this out. Typically what's highlighted around where you're going to get filled, unless you buy limit. If I set a buy limit here, it's not going to fill me any other price but that 1.18, which I like to tell people that 1.18, remove that decimal. That's $118 is how much you're going to pay per option you buy. Now, say we buy, we get into this trade, you want to sell, right? Say we get in it and moves up. We want to set our sell limit up here. Simply click, once the price starts going the way we want it to, it's going to sell at that exact price. Now, let's talk about a stop loss for a minute. Keep in mind, this is the fastest way I know to day trade options. You don't have to sell limit if you're trading SPY. Like I said, you can sell market, buy market, whichever one you prefer, but you can set your stop loss on here as well. So say we get in this trade right here and I'm only comfortable losing, let's say $18 per contract. I come down here, set my stop. Keep in mind, options do fluctuate a little bit. The spreads can just open a little and stop you out right before it gets to it sometimes. So keep that in mind when setting your stop loss. You don't want to set it too close and get stopped out for no reason, right? But anyways, you can set it here. If it drops down, if it goes against you, at least you're gonna manage your risk. Get your stop set. So very simple stuff, right? But one difference between trading options and trading shares and the ActiveTrader is, unless they've changed it recently, it doesn't show your P&L unless you add in the P&L. Customize, go to this little gear icon here, customize, come right here, click P&L, open. So now when I get into the trade, it's going to show me exactly how much I'm up or down in this column here. If you don't like watching P&L, I understand that completely. That's okay. Just wanted to throw that out there. One last thing before we go. First off, have this checked if you want to buy automatically. When you click buy, it's going to put you in a trade. If you don't have that checked, another screen is going to pop up. You're going to have to confirm it. And you can adjust this here, your quantity for these. This is why I like to keep mine at. But you just come up here to set up and go through that to, adjust your options trading size there. All right, everyone. One last thing before I go. If you haven't already, go to grizzlytrades.com or just click the link in the description and be sure to subscribe there. I have a free newsletter thing I send out. It's 100% free. You can check out all I have to offer there. And that's it. Very short video. Try to get right to the point. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Leave them in the comments. you want more content like this, run it up. Drop some recommendations in the comments as well. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.